First of all, we are going to put some cayenne pepper and dried basil, dried parsley, dried oregano, a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic, and pinch of salt to bring the taste. To mix it with your ants, that is the best way to get it equalized in the spice levels. That way you had nice consistency of the spices all over the meat.
5 minutes later.
As we have mixed the meat with all the ingredients, what is it? It's getting ready. I will be boiling the dumplings, the hot water, fresh rosemary, a bit of thyme, fresh thyme to enhance the flavors. We'll be adding cream to it, black pepper. We are taking the dumplings out, wheat bones. As we are heating up the penne pasta in the boiling hot water, which will be immersed into this meatball sauce with meats. Now it is ready, living fresh. We will be adding this to the meatballs and the sauce. A nice and creamy taste. This is called penne meatballs in pink rosa sauce or meatballs on marinara cream sauce. As we are going to plate the dish now, come along with me. A nice circular plate. We will garnish this with a chervil and a beautiful animal flower and a sprig of rosemary.